Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA Training Series. And thank you for choosing GK tutorial. So guys, in the previous session, we have discussed about the CDS view. We have seen the inner join. We have already discussed about the association also. We have seen the first type of the association, which is known as ad hoc association. Okay, let me go there. We have already discussed about this ad hoc association. So what is this ad hoc association? In this ad hoc association, guys, if we are fetching the data from two tables and we are selecting the field from both the tables, in that case, that is also a inner join directly. It's also a join. Okay, so the join to be found. Okay, what is that? Let me go to the system once, and so then I will show you. Yeah, so we have discussed this. Yeah, I think there is no data with this. I tried creating this, but I don't know why it's not there. So let's create one more CDS view with this using association. Okay, just directly right click, new data definition, give here the name as VCDS ad hoc association. Ad hoc association. Click on next, click on finally finish. Okay. So, what is this ad hoc association which we have already discussed about? If we again, so in this case, here, wait a minute. Yeah. So let's create a association on our basic tables, which are the let's create a join on EKQ. Select from EKQ association. Give the relationship with. Give what we have to give here. Give the identity here. If we will let's give here as 1 star. You can still give one also. Okay. Two. On which table you want to put the association? Put as EKPO as and let's give here name also as underscore header. Okay. As underscore item. As I told you also in the previous session, it's not mandatory to put underscore before item. Okay, here it's not mandatory to put underscore, but as SAP is also doing the same in the standard CDS view, so we have to follow the same only. Okay, so as item, then we have to give the condition on. So let's give here as add the EBELN will be equals to underscore item EKP or EBL again. Okay. Okay. So let's give here the naming as type the field E EKO sorry at the EBLN as let's give here as PO number. Give here the name as here as ER name as name. Okay. And add the EK let's give here the name yes. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now fetch a field from item. Okay. Just give the underscore item node. Set the material number as material number. Give the name as what do we have to give here as material number is there. Give the network NET network as folder value. Okay. Now save this. Give the exclusion zero association. Save this and then check this. Finally activate this. Okay. Right click. It's activated. Yes. Run as go to add the application. You can see it has tagged the data from both the tables. Okay, from both the tables, it has fetched the data. Now, the thing is, here you can see we are using both the table fields from EKQ and EKPO also. Here you can see we are using item and header, both table fields. So what is this? This is our ad hoc association. This is what our ad hoc association. So in the ad hoc association, when we are fetching the fields from both the tables, that is what our ad hoc association. So indirectly, guys, what I was telling you yesterday, it's also a join. Here you can see, let me activate it again. Here, if you will see, it's fetching the records from both the tables, and there is no condition at the one time only fetching the details from both the tables. Then, how can the system is again checking both the tables to fetch a common detail? Now, the question comes up is how can we overcome this? Okay, how can we reduce the workload on our database system? Okay, so for this, we are having the another type of this association, and that type is known as our exposed association. So what is this exposed association, guys? This is what actually we wanted. This gives you good performance. Okay, and what is this? And it's on demand. Okay, and you go to put underscore and you put. Okay, that is what our exposed association, guys. Okay, it is clear. I hope this one is clear to all of you. If I will go back to the system again, and what I will do is just create one more. Okay, what we can do here is if I will comment this out both these fields, what I will just type here is I will just type underscore item. That's all, guys. What you have to do is just save this and then check this. Finally, activate this. Right click. I will run as a web application. Here you can see it's fetching the details from header table only, which is purchase order number and name. So here, as we have seen in our second, I will show you this also. Here you can see what it is fetching is it is fetching these header details only, these left side values only. Now our requirement is we want to fetch these details also, these item details also. Now we will say, sir, then we don't have any item values, but how can we achieve this? Okay, so there is okay, we can achieve this using just go there, click on this, okay, right click, you can see something known as follow association. Just click on this follow association. You can see our association is there underscore item EKPO. Just directly click on this. Okay. Here you can see it is fetching the details from the item table also. Exactly this is what our association is. This is on demand. Is it clear, guys? I will again go here. If you will, I will click here. Run as follow association. I will click here. So you can see it is fetching the details from the EKPO. Sorry, from EKPO also on demand. Whenever user is clicking, it means if you will go here, whenever user is clicking on 74, only then it's fetching these item details. So this is what our joins on demand. As tomorrow someone will come up and ask you why this is join on demand, then you can go with them with their exposed association. Is this clear, guys? I hope this one is more clear to you. And what we will call this as we can call it as a exposed association. Okay, I hope this one is clear to everyone, guys. So this is what the concept of this exposed association, where it's the joins on demand. Okay, so give me a moment. Yeah, guys, I hope this one is clear to everyone. So there are some important points which we can note down here. Important points of association. So what are these? Give me a moment. they are like so. First, the first is the fields which is used in association condition. Okay, must be part of selection list. Whatever we have put it in the condition, on condition, they must be the part of the selection list. Okay. And what is the good practice to put underscore before the association name. Before the association name, we have to put the underscore. It's a good practice, okay? But it's not like that. If you will not put this, your association will not work, okay? Then the third point is there has to be at least one key field, okay? One key field maintained in the view, okay, to make association work. So what is this point is? This point is you have to give at least one key field in the view to make the association work. So what is this point is? Here if you will go, I have given this header field as key as my PO number. If I will again go run as a BAT application, okay, let's activate it again. Run as ABAP application. Yeah, finally it's activated. I will go there. Here you can see I can click there, right click for association. I will click on this. Then it will pass the details only based on this 13 PO number. Okay. But if what I will do is here, if I will go back, here, yeah, if I will remove the key from here, I will activate this. Okay, wait a minute. Let's deactivate. It's activated. Run as ABAP application. You can see if I will select this, right click, follow association. Select this. Look guys, what is this doing is it's fetching the all of these item details. So what is the last point is, which is very important. There has to be at least one key field in the view to make association work. You can see here we have not selected any of the any field as the key field in the selection list, and you can see this is the worst output. This is not required to us, okay? But if I will again give this, and again let me remove this. If I will again give this here, what I will give here is, if I will again give here as key, it will again start working as expected. It will again work as a join on demand. Give me a moment. Let me activate it again. It's activating here. Yeah, right click, run as ABAP application. You can see again I will right click, full association. Select this. You can see it's fetching the records only according based of this EBLN 003. I hope this one is clear to everyone, guys. Okay. So okay. So the next point is, which some of you might be thinking about this. What is that? I think many of you might be aware of this theory, guys. Okay. Theory. Now you can say, can a Fiori app talk to serious crew or FM or BAPI or our program? Can a Fiori app talk to means connect with our CDS view directly, or can a CDS view directly connect with our this BAPI or program? So what is that? No, big no, guys. Okay, so our Fiori app cannot talk to any one of them, neither directly to the CDS view, nor to the system, or nor to the BAPI, nor to the program. So to which how this Fiori app talks? So Fiori can only talk with our Fiori can only talk, or you can say as connect, okay, with connect through talk to or data. I hope many of you are aware of this OData, Open Data Protocol, which we will discuss in our next session only. How can we create a OData service using the CDS view. It's very really very simple. Okay. So for this session, this association is clear to everyone. In the coming up session, we will discuss about the OData. How can we create the OData service? Okay, using the CDS view. So what Fury app, this is for example, this is my Fury app. This cannot directly talk to a CDS view, directly cannot pass the data from CDS view. This needs one OData service, and to that OData service, we can connect this to our CDS view. I hope this one is clear to everyone, guys. So that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session. Have a good day. Bye bye.